We did get 2 packages in the mail delivered yesterday. So I think we're gonna start this vlog off with a little unboxing. This came in yesterday and I've been dying to open it, so it's the first thing, but I was like, save it for the vlog. Save it for the vlog. So here we are. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Okay, this is the first box. Little unboxing. Hopefully, I gotta blur that out, don't I? Don't wanna dox myself. What can I show you on this paper? Nothing. Okay. Here we go. A lot of packing paper. What is that? What are those? Anyways, I mean, I already know what I ordered. So I ordered 2. This is the smaller one. Okay, and it came with a case. So I bought this off of Goodwill, from a Goodwill's on their auction site, and let's see. Oh, it's falling apart. That's to be expected. What is this supposed to be? Does anybody know what this looks like? It's supposed to be glued here, but what is this elastics for? This is, ooh, oh no, I think I just broke the case. Anyways, this is what we wanted. Holy crap, it's a lot bigger than I expected. I thought this was just gonna be like a handheld looking thing. So this is not what it's pictured. Oh, I think the picture had it, oops, can't, how do I, oh, how do I push it back? Oh, here we go. The picture had it set like that. So that it looks, I thought this would be so cute, like as a decor set piece like that. Oh, we can't see it. Here, let me move it. Looks like that. It's a lot bigger than I expected. It's also very dusty and dirty. Okay. Gonna wipe it down a little. Very cool. Oh, there's a little damage right there. A little scuff mark. Wonder if I can like spray paint it a little bit. Airbrush it, but I would have to find this exact gray. I don't know if I can do that. Did I just ruin the lens? Actually, the lens is also very dusty, very sandy. I think they like took it to the ocean, the beach. They film in by the beach. Okay, this is cool. Oh, this is the battery. Oh no, I don't think they gave me a charger. Oh wait, no. I think you're supposed to put AA or AAA batteries in it. Yep. It's AA, AAA batteries. Actually, I think it's AA. But this is very nice. I mean, it's at least not corroded. So that's a nice surprise. I can't get it back to clip. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it is nasty in here. I need a vacuum. But yeah, that's okay. So that's the battery. So what is this? This is film. Oh my god. I'm supposed to put film in this. That's really cool. Oh, it opens more. Oh my god, I'm not damaging it right now by letting light in, am I? It's supposed to be like a video film though, so it's not like negatives, right? I don't know. I mean, I bought this for the purpose of decor, so I guess it doesn't super matter. But can I even look through this? Oh my god, I can. It's at 5.6 focal point right now. But can I change it? Oh yeah, this turns. I'm at 4 now. Can't really see with my glasses in the way. Oh, it's not moving anymore. I think it's broken. Oh, it says wide. It says tele here and it says wide here. Oh, did that do anything? Oh, it's just a zoom. I wish I could show you guys, but there's no film. This is cool. But yeah. Oh, and there's this little spinny thing down here too. I don't know what it does. Oh, there's also a remote. I think this is for remote control. This feet and meters. Is that supposed to tell how far away something is? Oh, this is turning into a much longer video than I thought. Okay. So that's that. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this case. It's very cool though, but it does need to be vacuumed and deep cleaned. Yeah, it is. There is dirt in here. It is nasty. But okay. Another rubber band. Second box. Let's put this to the side. Ooh, this one's packaged differently. Oh, I've never seen packaging like this. This is interesting. Corrugated. Oh. Oh. That's cool. Me being amused by cardboard. There's another one. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Oh, this is a much cuter case. Look at this case. It's so cute. I'll put the blade away before I scratch something I don't want to. Okay. We got leather straps. Very nice. Leather strap. Oh, do you see the detailing on this strap? It is so cute. Would this be like fashionable new purse though? If I just like go to the flea market shopping with this purse and just whip out my credit card from this thing? Oh, what's this? This looks like... Is this supposed to be like a empty film? Film when on this spool is only half exposed. Well, this spool is empty, but it says Japan on it. It says 2. Fujika. But good to know that's where the film goes in the storage. Oh, and here's another elastic. Oh, this one actually still stretches. That's a much higher quality elastic. Okay, so I bought this guy. Oh, this guy is heavy though. So intricate. There's so much stuff on it. Photo film made in Japan. Oh, and it just pops right off. Is this magnetic? A little bit. Also this thing. I don't know what this is. A light exposure. This kind of looks like the battery things on calculators. This is open. Oh, 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 there we go. Oh, oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. This is so cool. I think the spool is supposed to go in here. Like that. No? Other way? Oh, there we go. Ta-da! That means we're missing one. But it's kind of cool to just have this in here, you know? I mean, if you want to, like, display something... Oh, it's not going back in. Display something and just have it, like, open like that. Jutted open like that. That's kind of cool. Okay, let's see if I can close this thing again. Oh, there we go. That's really easy. I don't know what this thing is. So you got speed. I think this is the shutter speed. Oh, this thing turns too, but it doesn't open anything. Nothing's opening. Oh, it locked. Oh, is this to wind the film? Hang on. Let me see. Nope, nothing's turning in here. Maybe if I go other way. Nope, nothing's happening. I don't know what that does. It's not closing. There we go. This is cool. Okay, well, only thing to do is for me to look through it. Oh, this is so cool. I wish you guys could see what's in here, man. Can you? Can I do that? Let's see. iPhone camera, let's go. There we go. You see that? That's cool. Okay, let's see. That does nothing. This zooms in and this zooms out. That's it. Is there supposed to be a place where I can press record or take picture? Because this doesn't have the click thing on top. I think it might be this. No, speed. Oh, it is speed. Oh, is this like frames per second? So this is like 16 frames, and this is 24, and this is 32. Damn. That would be so cool if they can somehow like digitalize some kind of film in here. But anyways, this looks cool too. It's supposed to go like that. What's this? Oh, is this the handle? What the heck? Okay. I feel like this thing feels way too dainty and weak to hold the camera, because the camera is really heavy. But oh, that's actually pretty steady. It's cute. And the little cord. Well, this is surprisingly good quality for how old it is. I can't believe this is still intact. Yeah. Okay, so how do I get this thing back off? There we go. That's cool. Okay. That goes in like that. And there you have it. There's the two things that I bought on auction. These two cameras. I feel like they would be so good, so nice to style with my furniture flipping. You'll see it later. I still very surprised. Like, I really legit want to carry this as a purse. Just like unironically, actually. Hang on. But like, how cute would this be unironically to carry as like a purse? Like it's pretty clean too. Like I can put my my wallet, and my there's a little, I don't know what to do about that. Oh, but it's leather. But that would be so funny if I just like carry this as a purse. Cute though, like that. Oh, I need a farther. Is that cute? Is that cute? Okay. And it says Fiji Film on it. It says Fijika. It'd be so funny. Yeah. Okay. So in total here, I spent $50. Crying and broke assness. Well, hope that was fun for you guys to watch me vicariously. Yeah, I'm gonna go show this off to my family, and you'll probably see it in a staging video later. Yeah, that was cool. See you guys tomorrow.